ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पद आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ नमः प्रणवार्थाय शुद्धज्ञानैकमूर्तये निर्मलाय प्रशान्ताय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चिन्मयं व्यापि यत्सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। Okay, Indivar and Ashish didn't send, so fine. They will sing, they will chant now. First Anuvaka. I heard those. So
Vishnu Suktam, right?
oh, of course, yeah. So you were thinking something else?
Okay, you want me to go? No. I just want to confirm back. I thought that you're first going to start Bhagavad Gita.
No, Bhagavad Gita the last 20 minutes. Gita would be last 20 minutes.
Okay. Okay, I'll go first then. Om Vishnurnukam Viryani Pravochaya Parthivani Vimame Rajagunsiyo Askabhaya Duttaragum Sadastam Vichakramanastreda Vishnoratamasi Vishno Prustamasi Vishno Snapretsto Vishno Surasi Vishno Dhruvamasi Vaishnavamasi Vishnavetva.
Okay. After Vishnu, I mean, just because of breathing, everybody is giving a pause, right? Of course, if you can do it without pause, that's not. It is nothing like that, right?
Yeah, correct.
It's hard to.
And I think I one spelling mistake I made. Snaptre. That one spelling mistake.
Is to.
Yeah, snap. Yeah, I think I said snapte instead of
Snaptre is to.
Yeah, I'll correct in my practice.
And Shantaji, you're doing Vishnurnukam. One, no, Vishnurnukam. I heard Vishnurnukam. That snow didn't go down.
Okay.
And I think Krishnan Vishnu or Dhruvamasi. You read that? That is it. You got that right? Krishnan? Vishnu or Dhruvamasi.
Okay, that you're thinking was missing? Is that what you're saying?
I thought, you got that? You know that, right? There is a
I know that. I might have missed it. I don't know.
Okay,
what I
fine.
said.
Maybe.
But it is Vishnu or I see that there.
No, Ashish tried.
Om Vishnurnukam Viryani Pravochaya Parthivani Vimame Rajagam Siyo अस्कभायदुत्तरगं सदस्थं विचक्रमाणस्त्रेधोरुगायो विष्णोरराटमसि विष्णो हृष्टमसि विष्णो स्नप्रेस्थो विष्णो स्यूरसि विष्णो ध्रुवमसि वैष्णवमसि विष्णवे त्वा.
Did you take a breath? Did you pause for a breath?
After Rajagam Siyo.
Only there? That's it?
Was I supposed to pause somewhere else?
You're nowhere. You're not pause actually. Without taking a breath, did you do it, or did you take a small?
I think I paused there, and then I think.
Okay. Vishnu, I think you paused there. You took a breath. Okay.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, and I paused again there. So twice.
Yeah. So maybe when it is going down at Anudatta, Vishnu, there you can take a quick breath. Vishnu, Shnaptre. Before you go to Shnaptre, it looks as if you haven't taken a breath.
So before Shnaptre.
I mean, that is some techniques. Just saying you, if you want.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
And there is an Anudatta, and then there is a Shna, because it's a conjunct consonant. There you can take.
Okay. I can do that.
Where did we stop last time?
We are done until Adikshiyanti Bhuvanani Vishwa.
Okay. Adikshiyanti Bhuvanani Vishwa. Oh, up till there. Okay. So up till there, we'll just repeat. One of you can repeat. Just once. Krishna, do it. Om Vishnurnuko Viryani Pravochaya Parthivani Vimame Rajagum Siyo.
Om Vishnunukam Vidyani Pravochaya Parthivani Vimame Rajagansiyo.
Askabaya Duttaragam Sadastham Vichakramanastredhorugayo.
Askabhaya Duttaragam Sadastham Vichakramanastredhorugayo.
Vishnu Raratamasi Vishnu Prishtamasi Vishnu.
Vishnu Raratamasi Vishnu Prishtamasi Vishnu.
Shnaptre esto Vishnu Syurasi Vishnu Druvamasi Vaishnavamasi Vishnavetva.
Snaptre estho Vishnu Syurasi Vishnu Druvamasi Vaishnavamasi Vishnavetva.
Tva, you can it's an ending, and then dirgha, you can prolong it a bit if you want.
Vishnavetva.
Shanti, try. Tadasya priyamabhipato ashyam.
Tadasya priyamabhipado asyam.
Patho, tho. Tadasya priyamabhipato ashyam.
Tadasya priyamabhipado asyam.
Instead of sa, it is sha. Ashyam.
Ashyam. Tadasya priyamabhipado asyam.
Naro yatra devayavo madanti.
नरो यत्र देवयवो मदन्ति
देवयवो मदन्ति
देवयवो मदन्ति नरो यत्र देवयवो मदन्ति
नरो यत्र देवयवो मदन्ति
नरो यत्र देवयवो मदन्ति.
वो let it go down properly. See that it goes down. उरुक्रमस्य सहि बन्धुरित्ता
उरुक्रमस्य सहि बन्धुरित्ता उरुक्रमस्य सहि बन्धुरित्ता.
प्रवीण जी विष्णोः पदे परमे मध्व उत्सः
विष्णोः पदे परमे मध्व उत्सः विष्णोः पदे परमे मध्व उत्सः
मध्व उत्सः
मध्व उत्सः
प्रतद्विष्णुस्तवते वीर्याय
प्रतद्विष्णुस्तवते वीर्याय प्रतद्विष्णुस्तवते वीर्याय
वीर्याय
वीर्याय वीर्याय
do it again.
प्रतद्विष्णुस्तवते वीर्याय.
Let it go nicely up. Viryaya, let it nicely go up. That's Svarita. Better do still further. Put emphasis on that.
Viryaya. Viryaya.
Was it okay, Ashish? How do you do Viryaya?
I think there's a Anudata. So Pratad Vishnustavate Viryaya.
Pratad Vishnustavate Viryaya.
Yeah.
Sunita ji. Mrugona Bhimah Kucharo Girishtaha.
मृगो न भीमः कुचरो गिरिष्ठाः मृगो न भीमः कुचरो गिरिष्ठाः.
After Bhimaha, Visarga followed by Ku, so Jiffa Muliya. Mrugona Bhimah Kucharo Girishtaha.
मृगो न भीमः कुचरो गिरिष्ठाः मृगो न भीमः कुचरो गिरिष्ठाः.
And I have seen in your recording, Sunita ji, Vishnonukam Viryani. You are doing somewhere, Prishtamas. It is Prishta, Shta. Instead of there again, same thing. Earlier also, you have to correct that. Okay. Yes, Yorushu Trishu Vikramaneshu.
यस्योरुषु त्रिषु विक्रमणेषु यशो यस्योरुषु त्रिषु विक्रमणेषु
अधिक्षियन्ति भुवनानि विश्वा
अधिक्षियन्ति भुवनानि विश्वा अधिक्षियन्ति भुवनानि विश्वा अधिक्षियन्ति भुवनानि विश्वा.
Yeah, there we ended, I think, right? So next, परो मात्रया तनुवावृधान परो मात्रया तनुवावृधान तनुवावृधान इति तनुवावृधान परो मात्रया तनुवावृधान हिंदी बेटर
परो मात्रया तनुवावृधान परो मात्रया तनुवावृधान.
You can increase your volume a little bit. I mean, not that volume. You can you.
I'm trying both.
Okay. Try once.
परो मात्रया तनुवावृधान परो मात्रया तनुवावृधान.
Ashish, right?
Question on Vridhana. Is there supposed to be that second A? Do we have to cut that short because there's no line above it?
I'm sorry.
So in Vridhana, there's like you hold the first A, but then that second A there's no line above it. So do we say it as if we're holding that A as well? Vridhana or Vridhana?
Vrudha, because it's the end of the sentence. You don't abruptly end. Vridhana, no.
Okay.
Vridhana.
Okay.
Even though it is a hrasva, at the end of the sentence, you can give a little bit of a prolongation.
Okay. Okay. Paro matraya tanuva vridhana. Paro matraya tanuva vridhana.
Krishna, right?
Paro matraya tanuva vridhana. Paro matraya tanuva vridhana.
Pa is going down. You have that right?
Paro.
Did it go down enough? Okay. Pa is anudatta, right? Okay. I heard paro at same level, so okay. Try once again.
Paro matraya tanuva vridhana. Paro matraya tanuva vridhana.
Sunita is right.
परो मात्रया तनुवा वृधाना परो मात्रया तनुवा वृधाना.
Shanti is right.
परो मात्रया तनुवा वृधाना परो मात्रया तनुवा वृधाना.
Correct. It is simple, so everybody is getting right. Pravina is right.
परो मात्रया तनुवा वृधाना परो मात्रया तनुवा वृधाना.
Was it right? Was it good?
You have to switch the anudatta.
Where?
No.
Where?
No. Paro.
Okay. So, pa is anudatta, ro is
Anudatta. Yeah. So
ro,
you just have to.
Ro is udatta.
Yeah, ro is udatta. No, yeah.
Yeah. So anudatta goes on pa.
Okay. परो मात्रया तनुवा वृधाना परो मात्रया तनुवा वृधाना.
You're saying Paro. So you're going paro. It's supposed to be paro, paro matraya.
Oh, I'm putting Anudata on ro.
Yeah, you just have to flip it.
Flip it, okay. Paro matraya tanuva vridhana. Paro.
No, you're doing it again. Paro matraya.
Paro matraya. Paro matraya. Paro matraya.
No. So start lower. Paro.
Paro.
Yeah, right there.
Paro.
No.
Paro matraya tanuva vridhana.
Paro matraya. Paro.
Paro.
Yeah.
Paro. Paro matraya tanuva vridhana.
You can't meet your exacting standards, I think.
I'm sorry.
No.
No.
I don't mean like that.
I need I need the corrections. I'm
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean that was it. Just that one.
So matra means measuring. So we are all measuring Tanuva with his body. We are talking about his Vamanavatara, right? So earlier we have seen from the Atadasya about the Ganges, about the Ganga Avataranam. One meaning was Ganga Avataranam from his step where Brahmaji has washed his feet, right? In his Kamandalu. Ganga Avataranam, you know the Bhagirath Prayatnam, Ashish? You know, you heard of it? They call Bhagirath Prayatnam.
No.
Any Bhagirath? How he brought down Ganga? One of the stories in Balvihar I heard, I thought. No?
No, that doesn't sound familiar.
Okay.
Oh, really?
I mean,
maybe.
I don't remember everything I learned, I'll be honest.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, that doesn't sound familiar.
Okay. So Bhagiratha is there, that story is there in many Puranas, even Ramayana, Vishwamitra, you know, he narrates many stories to Rama and Lakshmana on that.
Okay.
So how Ganga was brought to down to purify. There are 60,000 sons of Sagara Raja. You remember that story? Sagara Raja. He has 60,000 sons. And plus one. 60,000 plus one. And they are all turned into ash by Kapila. By Kapila Maharshi. Right. So Sagara was doing this Ashwamedha Yaga. They call Ashwamedha means, you know, they send a horse. You know, once they do before the end of the Yaga, they send out a horse to other kingdoms, and the horse has to come back, and that means that you have dominance over all the kingdoms. So Sagara Raja was doing this Ashwamedha, and the horse is gone. It doesn't return back. It doesn't return. Then 60,000 sons go and search for it, and they keep digging. When 60,000 people dig, it becomes a huge sagaram, ocean. That's why it's called Sagara, right? They call it Sagara. Sagara's son Sagaraha, and they dig, and then when digging, they go to Patala. There, Kapila was meditating, and they think, because Indra steals the horse actually, because he knows Indra is always insecure. If this guy completes the Ashwamedha, he might compete with my position there. Indra thinks, right? Actually, Indra steals the horse, and these 60,000 sons, I don't know how they got. So that is, and then they dig big ocean like Pathala. They go. There Kapila is meditating, and they think Kapila has stolen the horse, right? Because Indra leaves the horse there and runs away. And they think they'll doubt Kapila, and Kapila turns them into ash. That's it. And sons never come back. The horse is not back. And one more son goes, and he finds it's all ash. The 60,000 plus one son. It's called Asamanjas. They call Asamanjas. He could not do anything. And so in his son Anshuman also tries to revive those 60,000 at least, sons. Nothing happens. Kapila says you have to bring down Ganga, right? Anshuman's son Bhagirath, after his many years of tapas, finally Ganga agrees to come down. Right? So Gangaji was born. That when Brahmaji washed, and during the Vamana Avatara, he takes 3 steps, right? Paro, Matraya. So in measuring the earth, the heaven, and then Brahmaji washes his feet, and then from there Gangaji is born. So that Gangaji is being asked to come down to purify these 60,000 sons of Sagara who were burnt to ashes. So Bhagirath that's why it's called Bhagirath Prayatnam. Any difficult situation you overcome with a lot of effort, it's called Bhagirath Prayatnam. Yes. Right? So Bhagirath first did many years of tapas for Ganga to come down. For Ganga to come down, it can't just fall because the pressure and the force is huge. Earth can't take it. So Shiva had to take it in his jeta, right? You know that, right? In his jeta, Shiva takes Ganga. And then again she has to do tapas for Shiva because Shiva has to again leave. Bhagirath has to do under 1,000-year tapas. And then even after that, see, because Brahma Vidya has to flow from Shiva's head, right? It is all Brahma Vidya. Ganga means Brahma Vidya, right? So slowly in a small stream it comes. But then it floods the ashram of Jannu Maharshi, Jannu. And again he has to do more tapas because it has to go to the 60,000, the ashes of the 60,000 and his ancestors, right? Again he does tapas because Jannu Maharshi drinks of the Ganges and he is in the stomach. The Ganges is in Jannu Maharshi. It's a nice story, right? And then Jannu Maharshi leaves it from his ear. That's why Brahma Vidya is Karna Parampara. It's called Karna Parampara. It's a symbol. It is coming from his ears. So we have to hear. It's called Shruti, that's why. Shruti. Upanishads are called Shruti. We have to hear from our gurus the Brahma Vidya. It is Karna Parampara. So it comes, Gangaji comes from Jannu Maharshi's ear. And then finally it goes to the 60,000, his ancestors, the ashes, into the Ash Island it is called. It is there in California, it seems. Ash Island. Kapilaranyam. It is called Kapilaranyam is California, they say, because it is Pathalam. Okay, Indivan, are you there? He is not interested in the story. So that is the Gangaji is nothing but Brahma Vidya. Okay, so it will purify us. The Brahma Vidya will purify us to prepare us for the moksham, right? That is the symbol.
I feel those 60,000 people are nothing but all ignorance. Like
yes, it is just ignorance, right?
That's what I thought.
Right. Okay, where are we? Paromatraya tanuva vridhana. Nate mahitva manvashnuvanti. Nate mahitva manvashnuvanti. Krishna, right?
Nate mahitvamanvasnuvanti. Nate mahitvamanvasnuvanti.
Nate mahitvamanvashnuvanti.
Nate mahitvamanvasnuvanti.
Manvashnuvanti. Shnuvanti.
It is Sha, right? Sha, Shani Sha.
Yeah, Sha. Shankara Sha. Yeah.
Shankara Sha. Nate mahitvamanvasnuvanti. Nate mahitvamanvasnuvanti. Mahitva.
Is there Anudatta and Shnu? No, right?
No, there is
Yeah,
no
okay.
Anudatta.
Right.
So
Okay.
the he Anudatta is not coming correctly, I think. I'll try one more time. Nate mahitvamanvasnuvanti. Nate mahitvamanvasnuvanti.
Ashish, right?
Nate mahitvamanvashnuvanti. Nate mahitvamanvashnuvanti.
Indeed.
Nate mahitvamanvashnuvanti.
Audio is thin. I mean,
Nate mahitvamanvash.
we can hardly hear you. I think you are.
Is it? Oh, okay. Is it better now?
Yeah.
Nate mahitvamanvashnuvanti. Nate mahitvamanvashnuvanti.
Yeah. Sunita ji.
Nate mahitvamanvashnuvanti. Nate mahitvamanvashnuvanti.
Shanti.
Nate mahitvamanvashnuvanti. Nate mahitvamanvashnuvanti.
Praveen.
Nate mahitvamanvashnuvanti.
Let they go a little nicely up. That's Sarita. Let it go up nicely, properly up.
Nate mahitvamanvashnuvanti. Nate mahitvamanvashnuvanti.
And yeah.
It is they which has to go up, not he.
Mahi down, yeah.
Mahi down. Nate mahitvamanvashnuvanti.
Good. Andur?
Yeah, I'll let Ashish say that.
You don't know.
What am I doing?
We have something called acid test. Now we have Ashish test. So
yeah, it's just on he. It's Anudatta. Nate mahitva. Nate mahitva manvashnuvanti.
Nate mahitvamanvashnuvanti.
Mahitva. Mahitva. That ta is there. You can take your little time there because conjunct consonant. Nate mahitva manvashnuvanti.
Nate mahitvamanvashnuvanti. Nate mahitvamanvashnuvanti.
उभेते विद्मरजसी पृथिव्या विष्णो देवत्वम् उभेते विद्मरजसी पृथिव्या विष्णो देवत्वम् उभेते विद्मरजसि पृथिव्या विष्णो देवत्वं देवत्वं. Krishnan, right?
Chandra garu.
Ah,
Is that vidma or vidma? There is
vidma, vidma. No just vidma.
Yeah.
Vidma. Vidma means we know, knowing. We know. Yeah.
Can you also mark the Anudatas once?
Who is Anudatta? Dma Anudatta. Thi Anudatta.
And Dma is Vidma Rajasi. Okay.
Dma Anudatta.
Devatvam, right?
Va is Anudatta.
Sorry?
Va is also Anudatta. Devatvam.
Yeah.
Okay.
Va is Anudatta, right. Anudatta, Dma Anudatta, Thi Anudatta, Va Anudatta. Right. Correct only, right? In Vijnanam?
There is a mistake in with ma. There is a there, dirgha there in Vijnanam. That's probably why she was asking.
Yeah.
In the book, it is only short with ma.
With ma. And it is occurring in between the words, so don't have to prolong it. At the end, if it is there, little bit of, even though it is rasva, we little bit prolong it, but don't have to do that. Okay. Try. Try, Krishna.
Ubhete vidmarajasi pridhivya vishno devatvam.
Thi. Prithivya. Thi.
Ubhete vidmarajas
Rajasi.
Ubhete vidmarajasi prithivya vishno devatvam.
Devatvam.
I'll try one more time.
Yeah.
Ubhete vidmarajasi prithivya vishno devatvam. Ubhete vidmarajasi prithivya vishno devatvam.
In the word, right?
Ubhete vidmarajasi prithivya vishno devatvam. Ubhete vidmarajasi prithivya vishno devatvam.
And if possible, that Vishnu, many people say Vish, it is Shanmukasha and Ana. So if you want to be perfectly fine, Vishnu, Anu, Sha, Ana. So, okay. That is the correct, exact pronunciation. Vishnu, many people say Vishnu, Anu, Sha, Ana, actually. Okay. But it's okay.
Okay.
It's fine.
Vishnu.
Okay. Hashish, right?
You want me to say one more time?
To say, okay. Yeah, say.
Ubhete vidmarajasi prithivya vishno devatvam.
Prithivya, thi, tha. I think you got it, but I heard a little bit of da.
Okay.
Don't say da. Tha.
Okay. Yeah, I think I said it, but yeah, I'll try to see in case something is not pronounced properly.
Say once more.
Ubhete vidmarajasi prithivya vishno devatvam.
Ashish, right?
Ubhete vidmarajasi prithivya vishno devatvam. Ubhete vidmarajasi prithivya vishno devatvam.
Shanti, try.
उभेते विद्म रजसि पृथिव्या विष्णोर्देवत्वम् उभेते विद्म रजसि
उभेते उभेते विद्म रजसि
उभेते उभेते विद्म रजसि पृथिव्या
रजसि सी is dirgha.
Oh, see, yeah. उभेते विद्म रजसि पृथिव्या विष्णो देवत्वम्
Try it again.
Okay. उभेते विद्म रजसि पृथिव्या विष्णो देवत्वम्.
Va should go down. Devatvam was flat and ubhete vidma rajasi prithivya Vishnu devatvam.
Ubhete vidma rajasi prithivya Vishnu devatvam.
Okay, you can improve on that, yes. And ubhe should go down nicely. Ubhete vidma. Okay. Sunita ji,
उभेते विद्मरजसि पृथिव्या विष्णो देवत्वम् उभेते विद्मरजसि पृथिव्या विष्णो देवत्वम्.
Yeah. Ravina ji.
Ubhete
Take your time. Take it. Ubhete. Try that.
Ubhete vidmharajasi prithivya vishno devatvam. Ubhete vidmharajasi prithivya vishno devatvam.
And when there is swaritas, as I said, you emphasize a little further because it is sounding as if you are putting a swarita there, but it is not sounding like that when you are chanting. You must be putting Vishnu. Try that. Vishnu devatvam, like that.
Vishno devatvam. Vishno devatvam.
Still, you can still improve there, right?
Vishno devatvam.
No, I mean, it's not dirgha is there, no doubt, but swarita has to be still pronounced, but more pronounced. Vishnu
devatvam. Ubhete vidmharajasi prithivya Vishnu devatvam.
Yeah. Paramasya vitse. Just simple, just two words. Sunita ji, right?
Paramasya vitse. Paramasya vitse.
Paramasya vitse. Paramasya
vitse. Paramasya vitse.
Shanti is right.
Paramasya vitse. Paramasya vitse.
Praveen is right.
Paramasya vitse. Paramasya vitse.
Paramasya vitse.
Paramasya vitse. Paramasya vitse.
Hindi word.
Which one? Okay, this one. Okay. Paramasya vitse. Paramasya vitse.
Ashish.
Paramasya vitse. Paramasya vitse.
Krishna.
Paramasya vitse. Paramasya vitse.
So this is another mantra that ends there. So you have covered the entire universe with your 3 steps, but still you are beyond that, which we don't know. Vitse, only you know that, right? Vitse, only you know that. Only these 2 words, maybe at the most we might know with our intellect, but beyond that, you have only you, your glory. Mahitvam anvashnuvanti. We don't know that glory of yours. Only you yourself know that. Anvashnuvanti. Okay.
This Ubhe is 2, right? Which 2?
Ubhe 2. Ha, right.
Which
right.
2 are we talking about?
Yeah, Ubhe 2.
But which 2 are they talking about?
At the most, this earth and maybe the antariksham. Right. So those first 2.
Those are the first 2 padas.
First 2 steps he took. At the most, we may know about it. At the most, but beyond that, it is you yourself you know about. Anything beyond that, we don't know your true glory, your true nature. Even though you are antaryami, right? He's spreading everywhere and in our own hearts. Okay, but we don't know because of our ignorance. Only you yourself know your own glory, right? Vichakrame prithvi mesha etam. Vichakrame prithvi mesha etam. Vichakrame prithvi mesha etam. Ashish, right?
Vichakrame prithvi mesha etam. Vichakrame prithvi mesha etam.
Krishna.
Vichakrame prithvi mesha etam. Vichakrame prithvi mesha etam.
Hindi word.
Vichakrame prithvi meshayetam. Vichakrame prithvi meshayetam.
Shanti.
Vichakrame prithvi mesha etam. Vichakrame prithvi mesha etam.
Sunita.
विचक्रमे पृथिवी मेष एताम् विचक्रमे पृथिवीमेष एताम्
Ravina.
विचक्रमे पृथिवीमेष एताम् विचक्रमे पृथिवीमेष एताम्.
Good. Perfect. क्षेत्राय विष्णुर्मनुषे the Vishnu, Nu is Anudatta, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we have it on that.
Yeah.
Kshetraya Vishnurmanushe Dashasyan. Kshetraya Vishnurmanushe Dashasyan. Kshetraya Vishnurmanushe Dashasyan. Ashish, right?
क्षेत्राय विष्णुर्मनुषे दशस्यन् क्षेत्राय विष्णुर्मनुषे दशस्यन्.
Hindi word, right?
क्षेत्राय विष्णुर्मनुषे दशस्यन् क्षेत्राय विष्णुर्मनुषे दशस्यन्.
Krishna.
क्षेत्राय विष्णुर्मनुषे दशस्यन् क्षेत्राय विष्णुर्मनुषे दशस्यन्.
Sure. Manushe, yeah. Shanti.
क्षेत्राय विष्णुर्मनुषे दशस्यन् क्षेत्राय विष्णुर्मनुषे दशस्यन्.
Again, try.
क्षेत्राय विष्णुर्मनुषे दशस्यन्.
Pravina, try.
क्षेत्राय विष्णुर्मनुषे दशस्यन् क्षेत्राय विष्णुर्मनुषे दशस्यन्.
Was it good? Ashish?
Yeah, I think so.
And that kshe is made of ka and a sha. Kshe. So there is also a conjunct. Kshe. Take your time. There. Kshetraya Vishnurmanushe Dashasyan. Yeah.
क्षेत्राय विष्णुर्मनुषे दशस्यन् क्षेत्राय विष्णुर्मनुषे दशस्यन्.
Kshetra means the space, the living space he has given us by measuring these. In fact, by measuring, he has given it to us for us to live here. Dashasyan, he has offered it to us. To manushas, to manusha, to we, to us, manushas. Right? Okay. Sunita ji, try.
क्षेत्राय विष्णुर्मनुषे दशस्यन् क्षेत्राय विष्णुर्मनुषे दशस्यन्.
ध्रुवासो अस्य कीरयोजनासः ध्रुवासो अस्य कीरयोजनासः ध्रुवासो अस्य कीरयोजनासः. Ashish.
ध्रुवासो अस्या कीरयोजनासः ध्रुवासो अस्या कीरयोजनासः.
After so, give a pause because of the dirgha, and then followed by a. So dhruvaso, little bit of a pause, and then asya.
Okay, so ध्रुवासो अस्या कीरयोजनासः.
Yeah,
Okay.
in the word, right?
ध्रुवासो अस्य कीरयोजनासः ध्रुवासो अस्य कीरयोजनासः.
It is better if you give the Mahaprana more emphasis. Dhru.
Okay. Dhruva. Okay. Dhruvaso asya कीरयोजनासः ध्रुवासो अस्य कीरयोजनासः.
Krishnan.
ध्रुवासो अस्य कीरयोजनासः ध्रुवासो अस्य कीरयोजनासः.
Shanti.
ध्रुवासो अस्य कीरयोजनासः ध्रुवासो अस्य कीरयोजनासः.
Yeah. Was it good in the word? You are mute.
Second time, second time it has come well.
Oh, okay.
First time that so I thought that was an issue, but second time no, Shantaji did well.
Sunita ji.
ध्रुवासो अस्य कीरयोजनासः ध्रुवासो अस्य कीरयोजनासः.
Ravina ji.
ध्रुवासो अस्य कीरयोजनासः ध्रुवासो अस्य कीरयोजनासः.
Was it good in the word? The character has come out.
Yeah, it is going in the borderline, I would say. So Dhruva, so it has to go like smoothly. I think Dhruva is probably going at the same level.
Okay. Dhruvaso.
Dhruvaso. Dhruva. Dhruvaso.
Dhruvaso. Dhruvaso.
You are again swapping between these two. It has to, Dra has to be down, right?
Dhruvaso. 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 Dhruvaso.
This is like ubhe. It's the first syllable is the anudata. So it's like ubhe, dhruva, ubhe, dhruvaso.
Dhruvaso.
Dhruvaso. So you have to start low and then come middle and then go up.
Dhruvaso.
Dhruva, dhruvaso.
Dhruvaso.
Close. You're getting it. Yeah.
Dhruvaso.
So should go up further. So. Dhruvaso.
Yeah.
Dhruvaso asya kirayojanasah. Dhruvaso asya kirayojanasah.
Close. I mean, you'll get it. Practice. That's close. And then the next one, I think in some of the books, it is U is long. It should be short only there. Right? I think most of the books have U. I think. I have seen both versions, but the Swamiji that I got it from, it is U only, short. Okay?
Okay.
Because Uru would become your thighs. Uru Kshitigam means a wide footsteps, a wide land, Kshitigam.
What is the Uru? What did you say meaning was?
Uru usually is a thigh, right? Ooh, there is Uru.
Right.
In Purusha Suktam you have seen, right?
Yeah.
You remember that? What is it? Uru tadasya yad vaishyaha. So Uru Kshitigam only we will use here. Means wide open living place like that. Uru
Okay. Book also is Uru, right?
Uru. There it is Uru.
Yeah. In both book and this Vijnanam, it is U.
Yeah.
Okay.
But let's use only the short form. Uru Kshitigum Sujanima Chakara. Uru Kshitigum Sujanima Chakara. Uru Kshitigum Sujanima Chakara. Hindi word, right?
Urukshitigum Sujanima Chakara. Urukshitigum Sujanima Chakara.
Uru Kshitigum. The Kshi should further go down as if, right? Because continuous anudattas. See that?
Okay. Okay. Urukshitigum Sujanima Chakara. Urukshitigum Sujanima Chakara.
Ashish, right?
Urukshitigum Sujanima Chakara. Urukshitigum Sujanima Chakara.
Krishna.
Urukshitigum Sujanima Chakara. Urukshitigum Sujanima Chakara.
Chakara means to make. He made it. Chakara, to make. Sujanima means that nice, beautiful form, Vamana Avatara form. Sujanima means beautiful form. So this can equally apply to his son Aditya also, because without him there is no life. So in Vaidikas, he used to pray to the sun god only, right? 3 times. Sandhya, Pratah Sandhya, Madhyanam, right? And then evening, right? So he is as though he is covering the entire. So symbolically, Vamana Avatara, they say. So in Vedas it is sun. Vaidikas always used to pray to Aditya, sun. Okay. Shantijit, right?
Sorry to interrupt. You said the meaning of Urukshitigam was wide what?
Kshitigam, space, living space.
Okay.
Wide open living spaces. He has offered it to us by measuring it to us. By measuring it, in fact, it is for us only he made it. He measured for, he's saying, to Vishnu Bhagavan. So that humans can prosper. Kira means Kirayo, Kirti. It is fame. So that we live here, we earn the fame, and then of course we get moksha and then leave. Okay. So he has given us this space for us to live, to enjoy. Okay, Shanti.
Urukshitigam Sujanimachakara. Urukshitigam Sujanimachakara.
Any corrections, Ashish?
Yeah.
Okay.
The first, yeah. So the first three syllables in Urukshitigam are all low, are all Anudatta. So Urukshitigam Sujanimachakara. That's the first three.
Urukshi, let nicely go down, both three of them. The second and third should further, compared to the first, the second one should further go down, third one still further, as though it is going down, because of the continuous Anudattas.
Yeah, in Vijnana only 2 were Anudattas.
Oh, is it? No, 3. Kshi also.
All 3 of them?
All 3, yeah.
Okay.
Correct it.
Urukshitigam.
No, Kshitigum. I mean, there is no there.
Right.
Only
Right.
base.
Right. Urukshitigam Sujanimachakara. Urukshitigam Sujanimachakara.
That ja don't have to. Only ni should be emphasized. Ja plain, right? Sujani machakara. Sujani. Sujani
machakara. Sujani machakara.
J is just plain and not ja. The first ja, not ja ja. Sujani. No.
Sujani.
Yeah.
Na has ni has
right. Ni has Sfarita.
Sfarita.
Right. Sunita ji, right.
Urukshitigam Sujanimachakara. Urukshitigam Sujanimachakara.
Ravina ji.
Urukshitigam Sujanimachakara. Urukshitigam Sujanimachakara.
You don't have to give a pause. Sujani machakara. Let it flow without a pause. Sujani machakara.
Sujani machakara. Sujani machakara.
Indiva did it right? Yeah. First did.
Yeah.
So it's 7:40. We'll switch to Geeta. So all will be available? All are there, right?
I need to drop off, Chandrasekhar.
Okay, Krishnan, fine.
Thank you. Hari Om.
Drop. Hari Om. Ashish will be there. So before we go, so if you are learning this, I don't know if you are available. So we will be advertising for non-Bal Vihar students also, advertising so that anybody can come and learn on Zoom classes, of course, so that they can participate in our competition. So you're learning this now. On Saturdays, we plan to start. So we want as many sevaks as possible. So if there are, let's say, 40 people respond to an advertisement on Facebook or RTU Deshi Mohamsar, we will put everywhere. And Bal Vihar children also can come to this 1 hour Saturday, 6 to 7 we are thinking now, as of now. So Haniji will be there, Vidyaji will be there, I will be there, of course. So we need more sales. Since you are learning, if you are available, one of the breakout sessions will be, you will be conducting for this 5 kids or maybe 6, 7 kids. Will be, just wanted to check with you guys.
So this is every Saturday, you said, from 6 to 7 p.m.
As of now, I wanted 5 a little early, but Paniji is not available. So we decided 6 for now. Let's see how it goes.
Okay. Yeah, I can do that.
So others, Sunita ji, Shanti ji, Praveen ji, will be available. If at all we need. As of now, it depends on the response, right? So if to give individual attention to each kid, maximum 5 to 7 we thought the best, or max 10 should not, right? In 1 hour. 1 hour means of course 40 minutes, and then we'll come back to the main Zoom session from the breakout, and then we'll again have some little bit of everybody join, and then do a full session with everybody, some fun, see how the other breakout rooms did, something like that. We have planned. It's my plan. Right. So available, right? I mean, just wanted to know.
Tentative Pittagaru Saturday evening.
Okay.
Not 100% sure.
Okay.
I'm available, Chandragaru.
You're good. Shanti ji? Geeta, you are, I mean, very familiar, right? No speed breakers there, as in the websites. Anywhere you can teach, I mean, maybe in your neighborhood or anybody is interested, you can form group, Zoom, and then let them participate in.
Yeah, I can try that, and also if it is just a Zoom link, right, then I can even support any of those small groups as well.
You can come Saturday 6. You can join.
Yeah, I'll make myself available if it's idea.
Okay, let's start with Partha, one Kita Dhyan numbers, and then begin. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritavarshinim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayini Ambatvamanusandhadami Bhagavad-gite Bhavadveshini. So we'll start again, since we did 2. We'll again do the first 2.
Uncle, what chapter is that?
2nd chapter.
Okay.
You have the Gita book, right? English translation.
So I think I have like the Holy Gita, but I don't think that's the same.
Oh, you don't have this the Bal Vihar where we sell this in Bal Vihar, right? You don't have this?
I have to look. I might. It's probably at Aman's house, but
I can send a picture if you want.
Okay.
You want that first?
Yeah, please. Thank you.
It will be there anyway in Holy Gita as well, right?
Yeah, if you have.
Yeah, that's true. Let me just do that.
Yeah. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः सांख्ययोगः। संजय उवाच let one person can repeat maybe. Okay. Simraji, right? Sanjaya uvacha
Sanjaya uvacha
tantatha kripaya vishtam
तथा कृपया विष्ठम.
Yeah, try Vishtam. Maybe because of your habit, sing Vishtam. Okay, Vishtam. Sha.
Vishtam.
That Shanmukha. Krupaya Vishtam. Ashrupurnakulekshanam.
Ashrupurnakulekshanam. Ashrupurnakulekshanam.
Vishidantamidam vakyam.
Vishidantamidam vakyam. Vishidantamidam vakyam.
Uvacha Madhusudanaha.
Uvacha Madhusudanaha. Uvacha Madhusudanaha.
So this we already learned last time. So you want to repeat? Well, Ashish can repeat. Ashish, you want to try?
Yeah, so Holy Gita actually doesn't have it. It's like, it says the English translation, but I just pulled it up online, so it's okay. Tam tatha kripaya vishtam ashrupurna kulekshanam vishidantamidam vakyam uvacha madhusudanaha.
Instead of tam, many people say tam because of same rules we follow here also. Because tam as anuswara followed by tha, right? So since we are preparing them for the competition, let's use all the rules properly. But many people say tam tatha only, but it's tan tatha actually. Na. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Let's chant one more time. Sanjay Uvacha. Chant one spot.
Yeah.
More time.
Wait, I don't have it in front of me. Could you say it again?
Oh. Okay, so you had it right. So I thought you chanted now.
Well, so I just had Sanjay Uvacha. Is that just Sanjay Uvacha? Okay. Sanjay Uvacha tan tatha kripaya vishtam ashrupurna kulekshanam vishidantamidam vakyam uvacha madhusudanaha.
So this first and second we did. So you want to repeat, Shantiji and Pravinaji, or you're fine, right? Shri Bhagavanuvacha. Ashish, you try.
Shri Bhagavanuvacha
Kutastva kashmalamidam.
Wait, hold on. Is that verse 2?
Verse 2.
Kutastva, yeah. Kutastva kashmalamidam.
Again, one more time.
Kutastva kashmalamidam.
Vishame samupasthitam.
Vishame samupasthitam. Vishame samupasthitam.
Anarya jushtamasvargyam.
Anarya jushtamasvargyam. Anarya jushtamasvargyam.
Akirtikaram Arjuna.
Akirtikaram Arjuna. Akirtikaram Arjuna.
Yeah. Now the third one.
Okay.
In your try. Klaibyam masmagamah partha.
Klaibyam masmagamah partha. Klaibyam masmagamah partha.
Because gamaha is visarga followed by pa, so upadmaniya. It is called upadmaniya. Means that fa sound should come. क्लैब्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ
क्लैब्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ क्लैब्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ
नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते
नैतत्प्यम्युपपद्यते
नैतत्त्वयुपपद्यते. You has another ya.
Okay, understood.
Naitatva, because you should not pass there. Naitatva and you continuously you have to say, even though there is a gap there. Naitatva yupapadyate. You should be sound as if there is you are not pausing. Naitatva yupapadyate.
नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते
क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यम्
क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यम् क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यम्
क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यम्
क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यम् क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यम्
त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप
त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप
ती కింద ఓన్లీ ఒత్తు తా ఒత్తు त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप
त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप
yeah Sunita ji try
क्लैब्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यम् त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप.
same thing, the shtha as in, and then Hrudaya Partha, dha instead of dha it is Partha. Partha.
Partha.
Tha. 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 Partha.
Shall I tell one more time? क्लैब्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ पार्थ नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यम् त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप.
Tyaktvotishta. The T has more, another Vattu is there. Vattu means, right? What do you call it?
Telugulo Vattule undi.
Yeah, right. T is there, right? So there you can give an emphasis there.
Okay.
Shanti ji, right?
Klaibyam masmagamah partha.
Instead of gamah, gamah partha. Nicely it has to go. Gamah partha.
Klaibyam masmagamah partha naitattvayupapadyate upapadyate naitattvayupapadyate क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यं त्यक्तोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप.
Tyaktvotishta Tyaktvo.
Tyaktvotisht param tapa.
Tyaktvotishtha.
Tyaktvotisht parantapa.
Again try.
Klaibyam
Last one. Only that. Tyaktvotisht.
Kshudram hrudaya daurpalyam tyaktvotisht param tapa.
That ti asti, another ti. Tyaktvotisht.
Tyaktvotisht param tapa.
Parantapa, Arjuna, Parantapa.
Parantapa.
Yes. Not Paramtapa, Parantapa.
Parantapa, yes.
It is Arjuna's name, right? One. Okay. Ashish, right?
Klaibyam
Klaibyam.
Okay. Klaibyam masmagama partha naitattvayupapadyate shudram hridaya daurbalyam tyaktvotishtha parantapa.
Good. Klaibyam means weakness or unmanliness. So, even though the actual Gita Shastram has not started yet, but here Bhagavan is saying, even though he is scolding as though, why are you so weak? Where did this weakness come from? Oh, Arjuna is scolding Arjuna. He is as though whipping him to fight, not to run away. Where did this weakness come from? Right? Why? It is so unbecoming of you, this unmanliness. But actual teaching starts in verse 11. Right? Even Shankaracharya's commentary also starts from verse 11. All this is a background. First chapter and up to verse 10 is a background is a context. Context is being set up. For the Arjuna to become a disciple and Krishna to become a guru. And so that's why he's a Jagat Guru. Krishna becomes Jagat Guru from here. He teaches Gita Shastra from verse 11 of second chapter. Okay. Shanti, Sunita, Pravina ji, do it.
Klaibyam masmagamah partha naitattvayupapadyate kshudram hridaya daurbalyam tyaktvothishta parantapa.
Continue.
Klaibyam masmagamah partha naitattvayupapadyate.
Naitattvayupapadyate. Here it is, it's only a Gita, right? You can put some melody also and then extend padyate, extend it nicely. Partha. So it gives a nice tune to it.
Okay.
Like that.
Klaibyam masmagamah partha naitattvayupapadyate kshudram hridaya daurbalyam tyaktvothishta parantapa.
Yeah. It is 8:02. Can we do one more or is it okay? It will take another 5 minutes. We'll end at 8:07 then. Okay? Is it okay?
Yes.
Arjuna uvacha. Pravina ji, right? Arjuna uvacha.
Arjuna uvacha. Arjuna uvacha.
Katham bhishmamaham sankhe.
कथं भीष्ममहं संख्ये कथं भीष्ममहं संख्ये
द्रोणं च मधुसूदन
द्रोणं च मधुसूदन द्रोणं च मधुसूदन
द्रोण ana, right? द्रोणं च मधुसूदन
द्रोणं च मधुसूदन द्रोणं च मधुसूदन
इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि
इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि
we he visarga followed by pa, so ishubhih ishubhih pratiyotsyami
इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि
पूजार्हावरिसूदन
पूजार्हावरिसूदन पूजार्हा पूजार्हावरिसूदन पूजार्हावरिसूदन.
If you split it, it is arisudana actually, but the sandhi makes it varisudana. Arisudana means ari means enemies, one who has destroyed the enemies.
Yes.
He's talking about Krishna here. Pujarha, one who is worthy of worshipping. Okay. Ashish, right?
Shekhar, so quick question. So here in the first line, did you say Sankhya or Sankhye?
Sankhye.
Bhishmamaham Sankhye.
Sankhye. Here it is Sankhye. Yoga title name is Sankhya Yoga.
Said Katham Bhishmamaham Sankhye.
Sankhye. Because Sankhya means not that Sankhya here. It is the war here in this battlefield, as Sherway is saying. Here Sankhya means the battle. The Sankhya Yoga is the name of the chapter is about Atma, about your Upanishad knowledge. That Sankhya is about your Atma. Sankhya means Upanishad knowledge, right? Or Atma, your own higher self. Here Sankhya means the battlefield. Sankhya, okay? Not Sankhya, Sankhya. Is it the question? Okay.
Yeah, that was the one.
Try. Into a try.
So here in the print I have K, so that's why I'm wondering.
K.
Oh.
It is K. Sankhya. The second. Try. Are you trying, Indiva? You have what is it called? You tilted yourself into a horizontal. What position? Not horizontal. What different? Oh, I think
he's frozen.
Okay, fine. Who tries? Sunil ji, try.
Arjuna uvacha katham bhishmamaham sankhye dronancha madhusudana ishubhih pratiyotsyami pujarha varisudana. One more time, Chandra.
Yes.
Arjuna uvacha katham bhishmamaham sankhye dronancha madhusudana ishubhih pratiyotsyami पूजार्हा वरिसूदना.
Yeah. Shanti.
Arjuna vacha.
Nice. Say again. Say that again.
Arjuna uvacha katam bhishmamaham sankhye dronancha madhusudana ishubhi pratiyotsyami pujarha varisudana.
Issue beef. Issue beef.
Ishubhi Pratiyotsyami Pujarha Varisudana.
Pratiyotsyami means fighting. Ishubhi with arrows. Ishubhi means arrows. How can I fight Drona, etc.? Right? Who are worthy of worshipping with arrows in this battle? Oh, Krishna is asked. Arjuna is asked Krishna. Pravinaji.
Arjuna uvacha katam bhishmamaham sankhye.
It is katham. That that nicely should come.
Katham bhishmamaham sankhye dronancha madhusudana ishubhih pratiyotsyami pujarha varisudana. Pujarha varisudana.
Good. So the next verse, the meter changes. We'll see next week. I mean Saturday. The up to 4 Anushtup Chandas, that is, and the next one will be Trishtup Chandas meter. Okay, we'll end. So as of now, Ashish, Sunita ji, Shanti ji available for Saturday. We will not start immediately on the Balvia days. Maybe a week or two later, once the Balvia starts. You have to prepare the flyer and then publish it and advertise it. Okay. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet, asato ma sadgamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma amrutangamaya. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Tat Sat. Okay. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chandra.
Thank you.
Hari Om.